Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. You can tap on it and it will open the battery modes menu, and here you have different battery modes. You have a list of them basically. We have the daily one, extended, custom, time only. The daily one is basically if this mode is selected, the power saving mode is disabled and you're using the normal battery mode. But if you want to save some battery, you can, for example, select extended one by tapping on it, and here you can tap on the check mark to confirm and enable the extended battery mode. But before that, you can also scroll down and see the details. Basically, it tells you what the extended battery saving mode does, or extended battery mode does, my bad. And we have, as you can see, it will disable the Bluetooth between 6 AM and 10 PM, or keep it enabled between 6 AM and 10 PM, and it will disable it at night. Then we have, as you can see, it will disable always on screen, disable the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So it's gonna disable a couple of features to save the battery. And if you want to enable the extended mode, like I said earlier, simply tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can simply open the quick panel again, tap on the battery icon, and tap on daily to disable it, basically. Or rather, tap on daily, tap on check mark to disable it. Okay, and then once it switches to daily, the power saving mode is disabled. Let's open the battery modes again and scroll down. And here we have the custom option. If you select this one, you can basically customize which features should be enabled or which should be disabled. So we have the custom, we can scroll down, and in the details page we have options, and we can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switches next to them. So you can customize the battery mode basically to your liking. And once you're done customizing it, you can simply tap on the check mark to confirm and enable the mode. Okay, and the last option in the battery modes is the time only. And this option basically disables almost everything on your watch. It gives you access to time and date and the battery level, I believe, and that's about all. The rest of the features is disabled, and this will save you a lot of more power in the process. So we can tap on it, tap on the check mark. As you can see, now it's enabled, and then we have access to the time and date and the battery level, but all of the features are disabled. And to exit this mode, simply press the crown button and tap on the check mark and wait until it's back to the normal system. Okay. And that's about all. That's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.